I know.
Every time. Good morning. Welcome. What is it now? Wednesday already.
Yeah,
My God, the week is going fast. And
exactly.
welcome, Asha ji. Good to see you again. Very nice.
Thank you, Veena ji. Good
And,
morning, good
good
morning.
morning. We are sad to hear about Indira that she could not join. She's not feeling well. Indira,
I
see, I was looking forward
that's
to meeting, like talking to her because she's a
yes,
very interesting person. Uska background कहाँ है गाती सारे हिंदी गाने and all that. She sings very nice.
exactly.
We can reschedule. I think reschedule करते हैं उनको.
Right,
Bring her
right,
back when she's feeling better. So
right,
that's the thing. Otherwise, she was on today. तो मैंने लिख दिया
right.
था. But anyway, we'll reschedule her, no problem.
Yeah.
And I don't know if everybody knows, but हमारा कल का theme है पंजाबी में. And Friday,
Hmm.
of course, everybody knows शुक्राना होता है. So we are waiting for some people to join us. But anyway, meantime, Asha ji, आपने मुझे बताया था उस दिन. Let's talk about your experience with taking the vaccine. Good
Oh
morning,
yes, it's
Nidhi. How are you?
I'm glad that I took it, and like a lot of they are checking on me 3 times a day. Actually,
Really?
since yeah, I took it day Monday at around 4 o'clock. So I got the text from them at that 7:30 how I am feeling. They have some questions if I have any fever, fatigue, muscle ache, this and that. But thank God, I'm touch wood, I'm very blessed that nothing. Then 3 times yesterday morning,
Pinky, मेरा थोड़ा
afternoon.
हो रहा है तो थर्ड बाद में करांगी. Okay, 10:30 होता है ना every day. Okay, 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 no problem. Bye. Sorry about that. Pinky just called. So I will call
Okay.
her back. तो नहीं आप
So
मैं वही कहती हूँ ना. Good morning, रमा जी. Good morning. आशा जी बता रही हैं अपनी experience. She took that vaccine on Monday. So I just said let's hear. She said they're checking her up. बताएं आप और continue करें आशा जी.
yeah, so then they send me 9:30 in the morning, then afternoon around 2:30, then 7:30. Every, like you can say, 5 hours, they're checking on me if I'm feeling any feverish, chills, or any headache, any muscle ache. Thank God, nothing. See, that's what my kids are checking on me too, because my daughter-in-law is a doctor, my son is in the medical field. My kids are there concerned. Even family is very happy that I'm the first one who took it from the family, so they're excited. But they want my feedback.
What about
But
अनिल जी? अनिल जी को नहीं मिला अभी?
no, we decided not to take both on the same time. So
Okay,
let's see. क्या result होता है. At least I should wait. We should wait a week.
okay.
So because some people are having some kind of issues, so they want to know. Because फाइजर वालों में से कुछ डॉक्टर्स ने जो हमारे साथ काम करते हैं उन लोगों ने बताया किसी को मसल एक था, हेडेक था, किसी को वॉमिटिंग्स हुई हैं, ब्रेथ का शॉर्टनेस ऑफ ब्रेथ हुई है, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट थिंग्स हुई हैं नर्सेस को.
आपने आपने कौन सा लिया है? आपने मॉडर्ना लिया है या
हाँ, मडर्ना लिया.
मॉडर्ना लिया? So you feel
मडर्ना.
that maybe this is a better one. You think this is better than that? अगर उसमें प्रॉब्लम हो रही है तो पता नहीं ना हमको. I think my son-in-law took the Pfizer. तो उसको भी
Yeah, that
कुछ
was 3 weeks ago. So they said that right now it was finished last week. So that as of this week they are giving it Moderna for
okay.
next 3 weeks. So मेरे next appointment मेरी उन्होंने February 1st को दी है. After 4 weeks I have to go back
Okay.
for the
I
second
think
dose.
yeah, Pfizer के 3 हफ्ते बाद होती है मेरे ख्याल में.
हाँ,
I
उनका
think
3 हफ्ते के बाद है, Moderna का 4 weeks के बाद है.
so. That's very good to know because you know what, the only people I know are right now are my son-in-law and you who've taken it. So he's
Right,
going to
right.
be fine. He came here, he was fine. तो अभी
Yeah,
मेरे ख्याल अगर नेक्स्ट वीक ड्यू होएगा 3 weeks हो जाएंगे उसको भी. 2 weeks तो हो गए हैं. So
right.
next we'll take it again. So it's good to know some people. I mean, I'm trying. Some people asked me कि मुझे पूछ रहे थे कि NASA Community Hospital जो है on I think
Right. They have it available too.
but they are taking people by appointments. Good morning, Indra. How are you? You're supposed to join us. What happened? You could have joined. तो anyway, यहाँ पर तो आ गए हो. आ जाना था हमारे साथ. आ जाते तो अच्छा था. Good to know. Yeah. So I'm just saying that there's some people like they're taking in their hospital, they're taking appointments. I don't know. So I called up the the Nassau County office.
Hospital का, हाँ जी,
Farah
मेडिकल सेंटर में.
नहीं, Farah Mozawala के office को मैंने कल किया था phone. So
Mm-hmm.
they told me they're not yet. I mean, people like us, I said appointment ले रहे हैं वहाँ पे. So कहता I don't know, but the only people like frontline, जैसे आप कह रहे हैं, you deal with the
Hospitals. Yeah, we are in a hospital. So the
Yeah.
hospital.
So you
Yeah.
deal with those people, receptionists जो हैं, I mean, people like that, they're the ones who are eligible right now. Not अभी हमारा थोड़ा wait करना पड़ेगा.
Yeah.
So I was saying, I would feel comfortable if I have to go to LIJ or North Shore to take
Right.
when they
Right.
have it open. But right now, तो नहीं है. So only the people who are, जैसे आप
जो
हो,
hospital workers हैं ज्यादा उन लोगों के लिए
मैंने
हो
उनको
रहा है.
prefer
Right.
किया.
Right.
Yeah, that's the thing. But
जो
anyway,
मेडिकल लाइन में थोड़ा सा जिनके साथ पेशेंट्स के साथ somehow you had to deal with
good
और
morning,
डॉक्टर्स के
Nandini ji.
साथ.
Good morning, Nandini, Indra, रमा जी भी हैं, and अभी पहले आए थे शालिनी जी. So good to see all of you. So यही, but general public को अभी मेरे ख्याल थोड़ा time लगेगा. It's not
Right.
gonna
Right.
be that quick. It's going to take
Yeah.
time.
Right.
So
Right.
meantime,
Right.
I mean, even then आपने ले तो लिया है, लेकिन आपको फिर भी वही precaution सब कुछ वही करना पड़ेगा.
Exactly.
So
Yeah.
say, you just can't
Yeah.
take it. Oh, मैं हो गया तो मैं तो no.
Openly free.
Not that.
नहीं. Yes.
Not that.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's good.
Right. Right. Right.
And
Right. Right.
I'm super excited about this tonight that we're having a get together and we're going to celebrate. New Year. थोड़ा दिन तो हो गया, लेकिन we're going to be having a nice program.
Right.
Very join. We're going to be live on Facebook as well. So आप लोग तो सब आ ही रहे हो.
जी.
इंदिरा भी आ रही है, and आप भी आ रहे हो. And also
Yeah.
we're working on a very important mission right now, I would say, to do that video of that tribute to Guru Gobind Singh Ji.
I know we are
And,
all are very excited. It's going to
I'm very
be
excited about that, and let's hope that it comes out good. I think we're in good hands. The person who's doing it will be very there. Yeah.
exactly. Yeah.
Looking forward to seeing you. So
Right.
we are working on that. We are saying actually what we're doing is we are trying to उनका शब्द है उसको like few people are इकट्ठे मिलके हम गा रहे हैं.
जी.
Then we're gonna get it video done, and then
Right.
get some backgrounds done and all from India. So we're gonna throw it to the public, like all over the world. Share करेंगे. So
Yeah, we are very excited. We are very excited
about
for
it.
that.
I'm very
It's going to be, it's a nice
Yeah.
blessings.
If let's say group बन गया है, आगे भी तो देखो ना. Love to practice. रमा जी कहते हैं love to practice the शब्द. आज भी practice करो. रमा जी शाम को मिलना है 7:30.
जी, right.
So मतलब ये है कि like it's a good thing to start. So let's say this works out good, we can do something else. I think groups बनते हैं.
Project after project, we should start doing it. Something in there. Yeah.
So, and then also हमारा mind में ये है कि भी हमारा देखो कल पंजाबी का प्रोग्राम दिल दिया गल्ला में हो रहा है. Friday को हमारा शुक्राना होता है. So we're bringing little changes to दिल दिया गल्ला also. And
Right.
में दिल दिया गल्ला मिलके रात को जो प्रोग्राम हो रहा है, together, and then I think we're going to start doing something periodically in the evening to have some fun. थोड़ा आप टाइम पास करने के लिए अच्छे प्रोग्राम करेंगे. शाम को भी करेंगे.
जी.
तो होते ही हैं. So we're going to be planning all these things right now, and आप सब आते हो तो we want to involve you also, all of you.
Yeah, thank you. बहुत अच्छा लगता है सब लोगों से connect करके. Yeah, right.
Anyway, I was very happy to see. अभी सारे लोगों ने कितने खुश हुए थे कल आपकी sister-in-law को मिलके. Like it was really.
Yeah, thank you. She was very thankful that she can able to connect here. और आपसे मिलके बहुत अच्छा लगा उसको. कहती अच्छा लगा कि आपकी बेटी भी teaching में है. That was very nice, very sweet.
Two of them.
Yeah, she was very she's very helpful.
वही मैंने बोला मैं कि any community thing that you think we can involve us, please.
Yes.
Please do that.
I wish she was more in New York, so she's that way. In New Jersey के इधर के थोड़े से law थोड़े से different है. She always invite me for there, but थोड़ा distance की वजह से हम लोग काम करते हैं. We are not able to attend all the events.
Yeah.
और pandemic में तो बहुत कम ही हो गया सब लोगों से मिलना.
वो कह रहे हैं दिल को इंदिरा कह रही है दिल को तो बनाना चाहिए. बिल्कुल दिल को तो जरूर बनाना चाहिए. देखो अभी आशा जी का sister-in-law is very impressive. रमा जी कह रहे हैं very impressive. And
thank you.
She loves to practice the शब्द. शब्द भी कितना मतलब जब
मिठा वे बहुत मिठा है. Yeah. दिल को सुकून मिलता है.
Repetition में भी बड़ा मजा आता है. Like कितनी बार repeat करते हैं, लेकिन every time repeat करो, it's really very.
कहते हैं ना एक कहते हैं दिल को भी सुकून आ जाता है.
Valkia customer service.
Go talk to them about the medicine. I cannot speak right now. I'll give you all the information. Just tell them.
Yeah.
जब मैं होती हूँ तो दवाई वाले का फोन आ गया. I'm having some issues with my medication to come here, and then so they are giving me a lot of hard time.
Wrong time. Yeah, wrong
time करते हैं. जब मैं करती हूँ तो उठाते नहीं है. आप फोन करें, मैंने अपने हस्बैंड को बोला, मैं क्या उनसे बात कर लो. So
Right.
they're talking to them. I didn't even know the phone rang. But the thing is this, that Asha ji, आप रोज काम करते हो? Like you go to the hospital every day?
Actually, Wednesday I work from home. Yesterday I was off.
Oh,
So
okay.
yesterday I was off. So I decided instead of taking a vacation this time, because और कहीं जा तो नहीं रही, मैंने अभी 2 हफ्ते पहले vacation ली है. I was not able to go to my kids. So I said, you know what? Now अभी मेरे को हम लोगों का ऐसा every 3 months का हम लोग को advance में बताना होता है कितनी weekend ले रहे हैं, कब ले रहे हैं. So I decided every week I should take a day off. Every week. So मैंने अभी कोई Tuesday या Friday कोई day अपना रख लिया. Instead of working 5 days, work 4 days. And Wednesday को anyway we work from home. So then other 3 days
You're taking like a vacation day. You're taking a
vacation day. Yeah, yesterday was my vacation day.
Okay, I understand. That's good.
Yeah. Yeah, so I decided, थोड़ा सा slow down हो जाए इसमें ताकि थोड़ा अपनी life को easy लें.
No, that's true. That is true.
Yeah, instead of taking whole week off, because अभी कहीं जाना नहीं है, तो whatever you need to do certain things, you can do that way.
Let's close the door. One second.
So how's everybody else is doing? Indra ji, Nandini ji, Rama ji, आप लोग सब कैसे हैं? अच्छा लगा आप लोग सब connected हैं इस time. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
We have to go and close the door. The husband is on the phone with those people. तो आवाज आती है.
Right.
First time पे कर दी. मैंने Monday को I must have called them like 10 times. जब कोई customer service आने वाला होता है ना 15-20 मिनट के बाद तो line disconnect हो जाती है.
Right.
Now यहाँ पे it's very difficult to get anybody service.
Live.
पता नहीं कहाँ phone चली जाती है. Like you get all kind of different. It goes to all kind of places. So
even आजकल तो सीधा phone India में जाता है, किसी को call करो ना तो वहाँ से उन्होंने reps रखे हुए हैं बात करने के लिए.
Yeah, that's true.
Right.
Especially credit card का ना. There are a lot of people from India.
Credit card का.
Credit card के like you call up Chase में या American Express. Call the customer service. There are a lot of them in India.
Right.
They speak very well. I mean, they're very good. But also a lot of them are in Philippines too. Philippines के
Yes, Philippines से right now अभी हमारा कुछ insurance का कुछ हम लोगों ने बीच में से check करना था अपना जो जैसे checkup क्या every year का जो मेरा कार्ड नहीं अभी आया था न्यू वाला तो मैंने उनको बोला तो वो फिलीपीन में सीधा कनेक्ट हुआ. वहां से था कोई. Right, you are right.
देखो रमा जी कहती है आउटसोर्सिंग बिल्कुल ठीक बात है लेकिन अगर यहाँ पर मैं कहती हूँ अगर यहाँ पे लोगों को जॉब की जरूरत है why are they sending it outside?
Because it's a cheaper labor. That's what they're looking out for. ये हमारे जो हैं इधर से vendors हैं या इधर के जो लोग हैं they're looking out cheaper. So since everything ये चीजें internet से हो रहा है सारा Zoom से हो रहा है चीजें हो रही हैं तो people are finding their ways right now this way cheaper. और लोग आजकल घर से काम कर रहे हैं. आजकल उन लोगों को इंश्योरेंस नहीं देनी पड़ती है जब लोग घर से काम करते हैं. अगर तुम्हारा वर्कर आता है तो उनको वर्कर काम का भी देना पड़ता है. मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस भी देनी पड़ती है. पर अगर घर से काम करो तो then you are on your own. Then they work with the less money too.
Yeah, that's true. Plus देखो ना अब लोगों की मेरे cousins काफी लोग काम करते हैं. She used to go to Manhattan. आजकल तो घर में से कर रही है. She works in the lawyer's office.
Right.
तो वो कहती मैं तो बड़ी खुश हूँ कि भाई घर से करना ना मुझे तैयार होना पड़ता है. मतलब go to the she has to leave the house at 7 o'clock. यार तू जाओ ट्रेन में जाओ बैठ के जाओ वहां से कुछ और सबवे लो या कुछ लो फिर काम पे जाती थी वो.
Right.
1-1.5 घंटा सुबह 1-1.5 घंटा शाम को 3
It was too tiring.
Too much. So now I think what is going to happen is that a lot of people even when everything goes back to normal there's going to be a lot of people they're going to work from home or ऐसे करेंगे मेरे ख्याल because it's going to save them a lot of money too because office की space भी बच जाएगी or maybe once in a week they can meet. तो मेरी cousin है कहते हैं once a week मिलते हैं. You can meet in a restaurant and book a room, right? And do it over there. You don't have to have a big office. So सबके पास अपने घर में equipment है, computer है, ये है, they can do everything from there. she's telling me कहते I can't believe कि lawyer का office भी घर में से हो सकता है. तो हैरान थी क्या कहते I'm doing everything from the house. रमा जी कहते
Right.
save money and time and money. बिल्कुल ठीक बात है.
Exactly.
लॉयर के ऑफिस में तो कहते they have a skeleton scarf. जो कुछ जरूरत होती है तो मेल कर देते हैं FedEx envelope, FedEx के envelope they mail it to you. एक दिन में आ जाता है सब कुछ.
Exactly.
They're saving.
आजकल तो सुनो सब कुछ ईमेल हो जाता है, अपलोड कर देते हैं चीजें हम लोग एक दूसरे को चीजें, सब चीजें, it's everything is so easy.
Everything is easy and then पहले तो देखो फैक्स, पहले नई चीज थी फैक्स.
Right.
तो I know that's true. That is true. Ramaji के atmosphere that young people के लिए missing है. बिल्कुल ठीक.
Yeah.
Because they like to meet their colleagues and lunch के लिए चले गए, कभी meeting हो गई, after काम के बाद थोड़ा they go to a bar or something. That's what all the young people used, they used to do that when they were in Manhattan. अब सारा हालात ठीक नहीं होती. Socializing missing हो गया. बिल्कुल ठीक, वो तो है. But I think to some scale they will do it when they go back to normal. थोड़ा सा घर से भी they'll have a mixed kind of a thing.
Right.
My cousin was telling me. She said when they go back, there's some things they will do, like 2 times go there, 2 दिन घर में कर लिया, like that. They will do something different.
Right.
A lot of people they like to stay. पूछेंगे भी we want to do. So they will have to go sometimes, but not like every time like before. अब काफी फर्क पड़ गया चीजों. A lot of people moved to Florida and जिसके बच्चे थे, they used to live in Manhattan, right?
Believe it or yeah.
$5,000, $10,000 महीने का उनका rent था. Now they can rent with that money. They can live in Hamptons. They can live anywhere.
Exactly. Yeah. अभी सब कुछ cheaper है उसी price में. अभी काफी चीजों के prices down भी चले गए हैं उस चक्कर में ही ना. अपार्टमेंट्स वगैरह के भी कई लोगों के वेकेंट पड़े अपार्टमेंट्स हैं.
देखो मैनहट्टन में कभी सुना था कि मैनहट्टन में भी लोग भाग जा रहे हैं अपार्टमेंट छोड़ के. There's always shortage and prices will be up. I think 9/11 के बाद ये हुआ था. People left. A lot of people left. But then they came back, right?
Right.
तो ऐसे अभी भी ऐसे ही होगा. Once this thing finishes.
बहुत ज्यादा बिल्कुल बात सुनो, सारे रोड खाली पड़े. अभी देखो आपने वो टाइम स्क्वायर पे भी देखा था कैसा था सारा. Even ball drop पे देखो कितना empty था.
New Year's Eve, nobody was there. I mean,
it was all virtual.
Only I think frontliners के थे ना, only they were there.
Right.
Not other people. So
No.
that's the thing. That was really bad. I mean, I've never seen Times Square that empty. Never.
Yeah. क्योंकि my daughter came from Jersey. She drove from there. उधर से Manhattan से निकल कर आई थी. कहती I can't believe it, mom. Otherwise तो सब roads बंद होते थे ड्राइव करने. तो कहती मैं सारा उधर से उस एरिया टाइम स्क्वायर एरिया को थोड़ा उन्होंने चारों तरफ से क्लोज करा हुआ है. बाकी कहती सब तरफ पुलिस है. पर कहती कोई लोग नजर नहीं आ रहे. नहीं तो लोग दिन में आके अपनी जगह रोक लेते थे कि हम लोगों ने रात को देखना है. मुझे याद है हमारे कुछ फ्रेंड्स आए हुए थे इंडिया से भी, फ्लोरिडा से भी आए हुए थे. तो हम लोगों ने मैंने कहा मैं तो नहीं रुक सकती, जिसने देखना मेरे साथ घर में आके देखो. कुछ लोग घर में, कुछ यंग बच्चे वहां पर रात को गए थे देखने के लिए. I mean you can't even go and use the bathroom because people push you.
I remember Nandini ji keh rahi hai there are disadvantages of working from home. They are. Yeah. But I think there are also a lot of advantages too. I would say it works both ways. Not only disadvantages, advantages both are.
मेरे बच्चे बहुत खुश हैं because they're watching my grandkids, and even the babysitter is happy because the kids are happy that way.
Yeah, that's true.
At least they can see parents' face.
See, my daughter was also when she works for a pharmaceutical company. तो उसका भी रोज जब ये हुआ था started, the kids, all the 3 kids, they were not going to school. They were doing in homeschooling.
Right.
Although she has a full-time nanny and all that, but still उनको देखना पड़ता है ना क्या homework क्या कर रहे हो ये वो. So
exactly, yeah.
She was home.
Yeah.
And to do that, she could help them out. No,
right.
Her husband is a doctor. He was a frontliner. वो सुबह आके रात को आता था.
Right.
So although she was working, but at the same time she was home, so she was able to help the kids. जिनके बच्चे हैं उनके लिए तो बच्चे स्कूल नहीं जा रहे. अगर माएं काम पे जा रही हैं, how are they going to manage the kids at home?
Right.
So for that reason, in that way, a lot of mothers or fathers even, if they're working from home, then at least they can थोड़ा बच्चे का थोड़ा देख तो सकते हैं ना क्या हो रहा है.
जी बिल्कुल ठीक है.
That part was she passed that time.
Right.
So even now, the kids are not full time in school, जो सारी उनकी
Right.
एक्टिविटीज थी वो भी नहीं अभी तक हुई पूरी.
Right.
They go to school like उनके क्लास स्प्लिट कर दी है. 8-9 kids go in the mornings, like 9 to 12:30, and then afternoon में 12:30 के बाद में दूसरा ग्रुप आता है. So उनके
Wow.
class में सिर्फ 8-9 kids both the times.
Yeah.
Rest they do
It's
from
for the
house.
safety. It's a safety reasons.
Yeah,
Yeah.
safety plus, they don't want the whole class to be there.
Right. Right.
And these kids are
Yeah.
only like 8, 9 years old and 10 years old. पर उनको सब समझ आ गई है. मास्क पहना उनके सामने जहाँ बैठते हैं उनके सामने प्लेक्सी ग्लास लगाया हुआ है. I
Right.
mean, I had to.
It's
what-
too much. बच्चों के
too
लिए
much for the
distance
children.
आ गया. Right.
Yeah, small children, but they're learning. The youngest one जो 3.5 साल का है वो जाता है सुबह 9 to 12:30 to play with his friends. He doesn't know, छोटा है.
I
He
know.
doesn't understand everything, but the teachers are there. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's true. The advantage being more, but interaction with the peers is more important. But right now, Nandini ji, जैसे हम Zoom कर रहे हैं, उनकी सारी मीटिंग Zoom में होती हैं. पहले भी Zoom में होती थी.
Right.
So, ये मीटिंग्स जो हैं, physically they can go maybe once a week, but until this thing is over.
Right.
But I think मीटिंग की कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. You can meet like this. जैसे हम बात कर रहे हैं, वो भी मीटिंग में ऐसे ही बात करते हैं Zoom के ऊपर. So not a problem.
Yeah.
Not a problem. I don't think there's much of a problem that way.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
For the young kids who are really dying to go to Manhattan, उनके लिए problem हो गई है. But then
I know.
because they're young, they're not married or they're single. They still
Yeah.
work
Mostly
or
नहीं
not.
तो dating का place ही वही Manhattan होता था ज़्यादातर.
Manhattan में
हाँ.
जाओ. They goes to go after work.
Socializing के लिए, music
उनके
के
लिए-
लिए, dancing के लिए, yeah.
Yeah, उनके लिए तो
And
problem.
I love them, miss going to the restaurant. उनके उधर के restaurants तो थे.
Oh my God,
usually.
Manhattan. देखो ना, Manhattan में restriction हो गई है restaurant की भी. I think they have to close by 10 o'clock or something like that.
Yes.
Something like
And
that.
आजकल ठंड में बाहर बैठा नहीं जाता. Even उन लोगों ने places
I
बना
know,
दिए
I
हैं.
know.
Heaters रखे हुए हैं.
Yes.
But you rather not. So we picked up food from there a couple of times. Certain places we like it.
Yeah.
हमने order करा तो वहाँ से pick up करा है.
But it's not the same जैसे वो वहाँ बैठ के मजा आता है ना.
नहीं
restaurant में बैठ के-
नहीं वो
Because
feeling नहीं आती.
especially,
वो feeling नहीं.
during the holidays,
Right.
वहाँ पे हम तो जाते थे ना, शो देखा, कोई ब्रॉडवे शो
जी.
देख लिया,
Right.
खाने चले गए. My daughter lives in like not too far from the Broadway, walking distance है. तो shopping चले गए, थोड़ा घुमाए. Last year I went and stayed with her, so it was so much fun. We went out and then we went out to eat, then we saw a show, Broadway show. और जगह ही नहीं थी वहाँ पे. हर एक चीज कितनी पहले बुकिंग करानी पड़ती है.
Exactly. Yeah.
Of course, the Broadway tickets you have to get like 3-4 months ahead.
Exactly.
And then
Yeah.
restaurant की भी booking पहले करानी पड़ती है.
जी
So all
जी
those
जी.
things, people are losing money. Those people are not getting back to. I don't know when they're gonna restaurant खुलेंगे. यहाँ के भी तो Long Island में भी कितने restaurants पता नहीं party कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे. I don't know. Not like before.
I don't know. We are not even checking out because हम ऐसे चीज में सोच भी नहीं रहे हैं.
यही भी नहीं है और पता भी नहीं है कुछ. But आप
Yeah.
जैसे New Year की बात कर रहे थे ना, मुझे याद है last year people lined up I think 1 or 2 days before ताकि वो सामने Times Square के पास खड़े हुए. तो बाथरूम जाने की उनकी they have to take turns to go to the bathroom, so they could not even go. Some people
Yeah.
had tents over there. They bought their pillows and everything there to and it was freezing cold.
Yeah. Yeah.
All the young kids and सारे देखो दुनिया से लोग बाहर से आते हैं.
Exactly.
to
Oh my
come to
God. This.
New York for New Year's Eve. Like people come from Europe, people come from all over the world to see the shows. Everything on hold.
No, they were hungry. हमारी जो family वहाँ से आई, फ्लोरिडा से आई या जो लोग इंडिया से आए हुए थे घूमने के लिए, तो they went together there. So I asked them how. They said we were starving. We don't want to eat and we don't want to drink much because we don't want you to go to the bathroom. So.
That's what I'm saying.
But as a punishment है ये तो.
Punishment, not enjoyment.
It's not fun.
I will say the same thing. If I have to do that, I'll be punished. Plus ठंड में. But the young people can do it, ना? Young जो होते हैं, ये कर सकते हैं.
So उनको पूछा, उन्होंने लोगों से पूछा भी लोग why do they said like a age of like a 50s. They said don't worry about it, use the diaper. So you don't have to go to.
Okay, that's another option. I didn't think about that. Yes, they must have used it or something.
So
But,
they said they just prepare for that one. They
Yeah.
said they all prepared for that. So,
Because
but
when
you
they used to ask the people, yes, जो होते हैं ना Channel 7 वाले Ryan Seacrest and all these
Right.
people used to ask the लोग जो खड़े हैं, आप कहाँ से आए हो? Everybody's out of town.
yeah,
Good morning.
We had-
Everybody was out of town. If we are from Florida, we are even from Hawaii.
Right.
I said, what are you doing in Hawaii? Coming in New Year's Eve
Yeah.
and freezing cold over here. But people used to
Yeah.
come, you know.
People come from Australia, people came from
Yeah.
Dubai. Yeah, this जब हम लोगों ने we got the call, वो कहते हैं, oh, we are missing it. Where's the Times Square thing? It's so quiet. You know, जो
Yeah.
अनिल की nieces है ऑस्ट्रेलिया से, उनका फोन आ रहा था, पूछा भी.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Thank you, Gautam ji. We are both of fine. देखो न्यू ईयर्स ईव का जो मैंने बड़ा देखा था ना टीवी में दिखा रहे थे सारे वर्ल्ड का दिखाते हैं
Right.
how they celebrate that's nice.
Yeah, yeah.
That's very nice. That was nice. They showed Thailand, Dubai, Australia, New Zealand. इंडिया का नहीं दिखाया मैंने ज्यादा देखा.
अच्छा, इंडिया का भी हमने देखा, घर जो अराउंड 3 o'clock देखने शुरू करे हम लोगों ने सारे. So it was good.
Time difference है ना काफी.
Yeah, yeah,
Then
right.
you have to call see that time. But it's good. Like I mean, Australia and Japan they celebrate it like 12 hours, 14 hours.
Right.
Singapore
Yeah.
14 hours. There's difference of 12 hours from Singapore
Right.
to.
Yeah,
But
right,
take a
right.
break. I mean, noon time here, they're already celebrating New Year. So the world is getting smaller.
Yes, yes.
Timing to वैसे ही है ना, timing तो ऐसे ही होता है.
Exactly. Yeah, yeah.
Not the
But
same.
it's easy in these days. You can see it on the internet. You can see it on TV. Everything is, you know. कहते हैं आप सब कुछ आपकी मुट्ठी में आ गया है.
I know. I watch a lot of BBC news. You know,
अच्छा,
BBC की news आती है ना, Verizon हमारा टीवी.
अच्छा, अच्छा, अच्छा. लंदन का
उसका-
उधर से.
they talk about all of the world, South Africa के बारे में, India के बारे में. I like to watch that. उसमें देखो ना, आधा घंटा
जी.
देखो, सारा world cover करते हैं वो. I mean,
Wow, that's nice. Yeah,
main
okay.
things about the world.
Nice.
They're very disciplined and British accent and a lot of Indian people working.
Exactly.
A
Yeah.
lot of Indian women and men they work over there. We are fine.
That's
Gautam, how are you? I thought you were going to join us.
Yeah. कहाँ गए गौतम? कह रहे थे मैं
I
कॉल
know.
कर रहा हूँ.
Next holidays में हम celebrate करेंगे खूब. कहते हैं, when do we have the next holidays? I know holidays by so fast. पता भी नहीं चला. हम wait कर रहे हैं. Christmas आ रही है, ये आ रहा है, you know.
Yeah.
New Year-
जल्दी जल्दी सब लोग वैक्सीन ले लो तो जल्दी से फिर बाहर निकल सके.
Mhm.
आई थिंक समर तक सब ठीक हो जाएगा, सब लोग एंजॉय करेंगे, सबको
I think
वैक्सीन मिल
it's
जाएगा.
going to take a few months. जब सबको मिलेगा ना, देखो.
राइट, मार्च तक सबको मिल जाएगा होपफुली.
Oh, okay, no problem, Gautam ji. Anytime you can join us. जब भी आप free हो. He said he got
Right.
stuck in a meeting.
Oh, I
understand
see,
it's
okay.
working time है.
राइट.
The thing is this that यही ना टाइम बड़ा जल्दी हम वेट करते रहते हैं ना थैंक्सगिविंग के बाद अभी क्रिसमस डेकोरेशन होगी क्रिसमस पुट द ट्री आप सारा ट्री लगाया इतना टाइम लगा के अब उतना टाइम लगाया उसको सब चीजें निकाल के उसको संभाल दिया
राइट, राइट.
that takes a long time too.
बट इट्स अ फन, बच्चों के लिए
Yeah.
सब कुछ करना पड़ता है, ग्रैंड किड्स के लिए सब कुछ करना
Yeah.
पड़ता है.
They have the वो आते हैं they like to see the Christmas tree all the gifts over there.
राइट.
Tradition तो ये वैसे जो भी है is very nice. I mean this Christmas thing we've been doing it since the kids were small.
या
वगैरह
मैंने पहले हमारे बच्चे थे तब करते थे, फिर ग्रैंड किड्स, पर इस बारी नहीं आना था तो हमने वो ट्री नहीं डाली. तो little 2 years old she asked me, दादी show me your tree, because उन्होंने ornaments paint करके भेजे थे तो हमने वो विंडो में टांगे. तो वो पूछती है no Christmas tree, why window? उसको आंसर करो इस चीज को, why in window? So बच्चे पूछ रहे हैं इन चीजों का. But and वो कहते हैं I want to come to New York. So मैंने कहा उसने सहाना ने उसको बड़ी ने पूछा, भी कहती oh it's still corona, we cannot go to दादी. कहती I promise I'll put a mask on. उसको ये
wow.
I put a mask on.
2-year-old that's really
Yeah,
amazing.
she जैसे ही शूज पहनाओ राइट में अपना मास्क पहनती है, she is ready to go. She wants to put a
Yes,
mask
they
on.
learn very quickly. And
Yeah.
you're right, Nandini ji, anything for the grandkids. You're right. So हम
Yeah.
तो my grandkids come, they write letters to Santa.
Right.
तो रात को लिखती हैं, they put make sure आप उसके लिए cookies and decoration करके carrots, cookies, a glass of milk.
Right, right. They do that. Right,
They
right.
write letters to the Santa and all. So then next morning, फिर देखती है, did he reply? मैं कहा, have a look. देखते हैं, oh my God, we got a reply. He's in the North Pole. Now he's over there. So what? It's fun. And they can दूध खत्म हो गया. Oh, he drank the milk. He ate all ate the cookies.
Yeah.
Well, it's good fun time. मजा आता है
Yeah,
उनके साथ.
definitely. Right.
Right.
Yeah.
And I mean, when the time comes, the grandkids are such so much fun, really. I don't know what else to say.
Right.
सबकी जब बारी आएगी तब पता चलेगा. Gautam ji, you have a long time. Gautam ji, you have a long time to wait. Enjoy your son. Meantime, उसके साथ ऐसे करो. I hope he enjoyed the holidays and the Christmas tree, and Christmas tree लेके बच्चों को लेके जाओ घुमाने.
I know. मैनहट्टन में देखो वो Saks पे कितनी अच्छी लाइटिंग थी, नॉर्डस्ट्रॉम पे बहुत अच्छी लाइटिंग थी, 6th एवेन्यू पे बहुत अच्छी लाइट, मेसीज का बहुत अच्छा था. We went around ब्रॉडवे में थे. लॉरेन टेलर रेडियो सिटी में था, टाइम स्क्वायर में तो था ही था. So there was a lot of places to see. We went around.
I used to go and see the show, the Rockets का जो होता है ना, जो Christmas show.
Right.
ऐसे बुकिंग करा लेते थे हम. Every year different होता है theme.
हाँ. हम लोगों का हम ज्यादा वैसे कुछ नहीं करते थे. मैनहट्टन में जब जाओ पहले शो देखो, चाहे रेडियो सिटी में या ब्रॉडवे शो कोई देख के, उसके बाद डिनर वगैरह घूम फिर के आ जाओ बस. That's what we used to do that. Instead of spend the time with the family.
I know. अभी देखो सब लिख रहे हैं कि they are enjoying with the Nandini ji कहते हैं she enjoys with the grandkids a lot, and
that's nice.
The reindeer, and Shalini ji कहते हैं yes, Nandini ji कहते हैं enjoy your laddu. Gautam ji, yes. छोटा है उसको सब चीजें करानी पड़ेंगी, but he said he could not take him too much this time because of the situation. Maybe next year, because छोटा है अभी. Plus Manhattan में you take Christmas tree देखने जाओ. It's actually fun to go there.
Yes.
Plaza, skating rink में जाओ ना, people are skating and all, and they have a nice restaurant over there too. उधर जाओ, it's very good, very nice.
Right. No, see, this time on the weekend we saw that firework जो उस पे था, बीच पे था, उधर देखने चले गए. उससे पहले जो लाइटिंग इस लॉन्ग आइलैंड में ही इस टाइम काफी देखा जो पहले नहीं गए हुए थे इस बार.
They have nice
we went to.
there too.
Jones Beach area के तरफ चले गए थे. So they had a lot of lighting places this time here.
Yep. So anyway, nice to see everybody, all of my buddies here. Nandini ji, Gautam ji, Rama ji, Shalini ji. Shalini bhi aayi hai, that's good. And Rama ji kahan chali gayi? Oh, she's here. Yeah, miss good old times, I know.
Yeah, I know.
And Reshma was here just now. And I hope I didn't miss anybody else. Gautam ji. So you know what, we're looking forward and Indira was here too. Where is she now? She must have gone, or she's still here?
I think she's there.
There somewhere.
She's there. She's listening. Yeah, she's listening. अच्छा फ्रेंड्स के इसी बहाने हम लोग कनेक्ट होते हैं एक दूसरे से. हेलो हाय वैसे नहीं तो इसी तरह से हेलो हाय होती है every day.
जी कहते हैं Long Island is long and beautiful. You're right. There's so much to do in Long Island also. So to do. हम भागते हैं city में. Yeah, but there's plenty to do over here too.
Exactly. There's a lot of beautiful places. Yes. Restaurant भी इधर बहुत अच्छे हैं और बहुत even just thank God is the facilities भी अच्छी हैं, like LIJ है, North Shore है, Winthrop है. अगर किसी को कोई चीज का है, we are very blessed that we are in that kind of area.
Also, if you go a little further down, Port Jeff area कितना अच्छा है. Port Jefferson.
My God, Port Jeff. Yeah.
And, very nice, beautiful. Amazing.
Yes. It's really beautiful.
Hopefully this summer we can go out again and enjoy.
Right.
इधर जाए उधर जाए.
Right.
तो चलते हैं आज. So true, Nandini ji. Yes, Long Island is beautiful. So Rama ji, everybody, I will say goodbye. Gautam ji and everybody, Indira ji, we'll see you tonight. I think everybody's coming tonight to our New Year Eve celebration program. तो तब मिलते हैं. आशा जी तब भी मिलते हैं आपको.
बिल्कुल, definitely.
We'll meet you 7:30 also, some of us, right? We're meeting at 7:30. So we're gonna have a throwing. Nandini ji, when are you throwing a party? Let's have a party bash. Nandini ji, कब कर रहे हो आप बताओ? गौतम जी को reply करो. So anyway, we're looking forward to all the good times. We will have. You're right.
Right.
So चलो मिलते हैं रात को, and back here tomorrow, please. Our theme tomorrow is Thursday, right? So we're gonna have a Punjabi session. तो सारे जो पंजाबी बोलने वाले सब आ जाना, सब भी आ जाओ. अब सब पंजाबी बोलते हो. अब तो पार्टी शुरू है. आ जाओ.
अब तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. अभी तो आज का दिन पूरा तैयारी करो.
तैयारी रात को पार्टी है ना. 9 o'clock जरूर आना है. 5 to 9. Everybody.
Yeah, we can dance. We can dance with your song.
अपना anybody wants to do their own गाना है या थोड़ी शायरी करनी है या म्यूजिक लगाना है, डांस करना है, it's up to you. That's your choice.
Right.
ठीक है, फिर मिलते हैं. Okay, bye everybody. Thank you so much for coming.
Okay,
Please
thank you,
request-
everyone. Thank you,
Thank you.
Veena ji.
Thank you.
Thanks for
Thank you
having
for
me.
having me.
Very nice to, yeah.
Enjoyed your company a lot.
Everyone have it. Yes, thank you, thank you.
Enjoy
Have
the
a
rest
nice
of the
day, everyone. See you, some of you in the evening.
Yes. Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Punjabi's Thursday. Yep. Yep.